Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Welcome back. In Part 2, we'll show you how to identify AI startups with proprietary data and unique models. You'll learn which companies have a real competitive advantage and long-term growth potential. Let's get started. This cost structure makes long-term growth almost impossible for a middleman. As a small company scales and gains more users, their bills from OpenAI or Google scale up right along with them. They never benefit from the economies of scale that usually help businesses become more profitable over time. If you invest in these companies, you're essentially betting that they can outrun a mathematical reality that favors the giants. What happens when the AI provider changes the rules? Relying on a third party means you're at the mercy of their terms and conditions. If an AI provider decides to change their pricing, your business model might become unprofitable in an instant. Even worse, if they decide that your app competes with one of their internal projects, they could simply cut off your access to their model. There's also the risk of technical failure or policy shifts. If a provider experiences a major outage, your product goes down too. If they change their safety filters in a way that breaks your specific use case, your product becomes useless. For an investor, this level of dependency is a massive red flag. You aren't just investing in the startup. You're unintentionally investing in the stability and kindness of a massive corporation that doesn't care if that startup survives. How to spot a real AI investment worth your money. If you want to put your money into the AI space, you need to look for companies that offer something more than just a clever prompt. The best way to identify a solid investment is to look for proprietary data and custom-tuned models. A company that has spent years collecting data that no one else has is much harder to replace than one that just uses public information. The real winners in this space are often the ones solving boring, difficult problems in niche industries. Think about legal tech, specialized medical imaging, or industrial manufacturing. These fields require high levels of accuracy and security that a general-purpose AI cannot provide without significant customization. When a company trains its own model on specialized data, it creates a product that is truly unique and difficult to copy. Feature AI wrapper startup proprietary AI company technology rents models via API owns or heavily tunes models competitive mode low, easy to copy, high, unique data, tech, profit margins shrinking due to API costs stable and scalable risk level extremely high moderate to high growth potential limited by provider rules unlimited by its own innovation. Look for companies that solve specific problems with unique data. In the world of artificial intelligence, the person with the best data usually wins. We are moving past the era where a cool interface is enough to win over customers. Today, investors should focus on companies that have a deep integration into a specific workflow. If a company uses AI to help doctors diagnose rare diseases by using a private database of millions of scans, they have a real business. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.